So, guess where we are today? You'll never guess. Maybe you will. Yep. These are called the Seven Magic Mountains. They were done by some artist, I don't know, from Europe. And it's a great place to take pictures, but there's so many people here. It's kind of hard to take pictures without people in your focus area. But it took 5 years to plan and build. I think most of the 5 years was planning and getting BLM permits and such. But Seven Magic Mountains, they're just a bunch of big rocks stacked on top of each other. Of course, they're all pinned through the center and have heavy concrete bases, which you can't see because they're covered with rock. And that is them. Pretty awesome. Paint's faded a little bit. They used to be a lot brighter. You get a view from the other side. We'll walk around. So these are out by just south of Las Vegas. They're actually on the Las Vegas Boulevard, south of the town of Las Vegas, about, I don't know if they said 50 miles maybe, 50 miles south of Las Vegas Strip. Out here on BLM land, the artist had to pull permits and get approvals from BLM and all that stuff to do it. But it looks like a pretty good, you know, tourist place to come check it out. It's a one more draw for the desert and for the casinos and whatnot. But it's gorgeous out here today because it's overcast. It's lightly sprinkling. It's just beautiful. And the overcast skies make for a beautiful background. I mean, look at that. How beautiful that is. That's incredible. Just stunning. Well, I just wanted to show you guys this short video. I thought it was really cool. I'm heading up to Arizona, Page, Arizona tomorrow, and I'm going to be putting out another video of we're going through the slot caves. They're called Devil's Canyon or some shit like that. Oh, pardon my French, didn't mean to cuss, but yeah, well, anyhow, this is it, man. Seven Magic Mountains in the middle of the desert, just south of Las Vegas. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and bell notification if you want to be notified anytime I got a video up. I appreciate you guys' support. Thanks for watching my videos, guys. Have a good day.